What is going on, my impossible creators? I have a new tutorial for you, and it is incorporating the new Seedance 2.0, the highly anticipated video generator. If you've been keeping your ears to the ground, everyone in this space has been waiting for this to come out. So it's here. We're going to use Higgsfield 2.0 or Higgsfield.ai. That's actually the website you see me on right now. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is actually create a, let us go to video, Seedance 2.0. You see that it's right here. It's the top choice right now, which I am not surprised. So we are going to go and click that. And then you're going to want to create an element, which is, if you've watched my past videos, essentially it's character building. So I've built mine where, how do you edit? Okay. These are all photos that I took of myself and uploaded just so AI or Higgsfield knows what I look like from the front, from the side, from the back. So go ahead and snap a couple of photos, then go to Elements, click Elements, which is right here, and then you would select New Element. Let's click on it now just so you can see how it is. See, so upload images, go ahead and drag at least 3 to 4. The more the better. I wouldn't go past 8 really. And make sure you cover multiple angles, back, side, front. Name it whatever you want to name it. I just named mine Joel. And then description, it says here, describe the subject's key features. So beard, bald, in my case. And then so for yours, call out whatever you want to. And then you would go ahead and for category, select character, right? Because this is for characters. After that, you can go ahead and steal my prompt. I'll provide you with this link to this doc. The yellow here is where you can go ahead and swap it out for the character that you're going to have in this video. So if it's yourself, describe yourself. If it's a different made up character, describe that character. Copy that and paste it here under the prompt part. How we got here, video, Seedance, you clicked on that, and then we're brought here. So you would first actually go and hit Elements, select your character, and then that'll show, in my case, it showed Joel, like over here, you see at Joel. You can even do like at, and whatever characters you created, which should pop up. And then paste the rest of your prompt here. Make sure Seedance 2.0 is selected. 15 seconds long is what we wanted to. 16 by 9 is, standard picture video. The highest this goes up is 720p. And this is right now, I guess regular is 90 credits, but you get 60 credits at the deal at the time I'm posting this. You would hit generate and boom. You're gonna have to, one thing that from the videos I've been seeing on YouTube, it's not a one shot. I mean, it's very, very cool, but I've seen a little bit of inconsistencies with certain videos, and in a few of these videos, I have the prompt is asking for a snap and then time stops. There's one video where I just put my hand up and time stops. Which one was it? It might have been this one. Let's play it. Yeah. I mean, it's cool, but I always like when a prompt is consistent, and follows exactly what you're asking it to do. So I want to be honest with that. I feel like a lot of YouTubers that I'm following, great content, but those things that you would like to know, like, am I going to run through my credits with this one? It's probably going to take you 4 to 5 tries to get the one that you're happy with if you're kind of strict like me. Like, I want what I'm asking for in my prompt. So I say this because if you're copy pasting, doing exactly what I'm asking you to do, and you don't get the exact results that you expect to see from how this video opened, don't blame it on me. Blame it on Seedance 2.0, and I want to be honest. But anyway, that's it. It's pretty simple. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate y'all, and please like, share, subscribe, all that stuff that I'm supposed to say. Bye.